Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So children, so far we had a look about our country, that is India. What all things we came across? We came across the location of India, where it is located on earth, which continent it belongs to. Isn't it? It belongs to the continent Asia, the largest continent of the world. And which part of Asia? The southern part. Okay. And what are the how it is divided? It is divided into mainland and two groups of islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which are located in Bay of Bengal and the other on the in the Arabian Sea. Then moving on, what did we learn? The size of Earth. What is the size of Earth? How it is categorized? Size of India. Size of India. How it is? It is the second largest country in the world in terms of population. Then apart from that, it is the seventh largest in terms of area, isn't it? In terms of area. Then, and how far it is measured in how many kilometers approximately from east to west, and then from north to south. These all things we came across. Now moving on, India is called a peninsular country. Why it is called so? Let's have a look. India is a peninsular country. Why is it called so? So it is called so because the three sides of the India, it is covered with water. The southern part of India is covered with water. So it could be defined as a peninsula. First and foremost, what is a peninsula? You need to know. What is a peninsula? A piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. It's called a peninsula. Okay, a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. So here if you have a look at the map of India, here you find the Arabian Sea. This is the southern part of India. The Arabian Sea on your left, the Indian Ocean on the bottom, that is the south. Here to the east is to the west is the Arabian Sea, and towards the east is the Bay of Bengal. These three oceans, Bay of Bengal, these three water bodies are surrounded by the three sides of earth. India is surrounded by these three water bodies. So that is the reason India is called as a peninsular country. Okay, then that you can have a look in page number 9. Page 9 you could have a look. Fine. Then moving on, what is an island? Now island is nothing but a piece of land. Okay, island is nothing but a piece of land that is covered or that is surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, so an island which is covered completely surrounded by water. Okay, An island, a piece of land which is covered by water. Then moving on. Who all are our neighbors? Who all are our neighboring countries? Let's have a look. So India shares its border with several countries which include the neighboring countries of India. Okay, it shares its borders with several countries that are Pakistan, Afghanistan. See this also you can have a look on page number 9. Okay, in page 9 you can have a look on in the map the countries which are sharing the borders of our India. Then Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Apart from these, Sri Lanka and Maldives. How these two share across are sea neighbors. Okay, they are across the sea, so they are called as named as sea neighbors. They are across the sea. These two places they are across the sea, so that is the reason they are called as sea neighbors. Then China, Nepal, Bhutan. These three places. What are the direction of these three places? Countries, you could say the direction is towards the north. They face towards the north. They are placed towards the north. And Pakistan and Afghanistan towards the northwest. They are placed in the northwest direction. Coming to Bangladesh and Myanmar, they are placed in east direction. And Sri Lanka, Maldives, the sea neighbors which are across the sea, they are in south direction. They are situated in south direction. So this is most important. You have a look in page number 9. See, Afghanistan and Pakistan towards the north west direction. Then Nepal, Bhutan and China, they come under the east direction. Sri Lanka here, over here, and Maldives over here, they are situated in the south direction. Then coming to the east, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Myanmar is here and Bangladesh is over here. Okay, these two are located in the east direction. So you could find that in page number 8. And moving on, we'll learn about the other topic, states and territories, in the next class, inshallah.